Meaning of duodenum.
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 Duodenum. The duodenum is the first part of the small intestine, located immediately after the stomach. It is approximately 25 to 30 centimeters long, and its name comes from the Latin word duodenum digitorum, meaning 12 fingers. The duodenum is responsible for receiving partially digested food from the stomach and mixing it with digestive juices from the pancreas and liver to further break down the food. This process prepares the food for absorption in the rest of the small intestine. Overall, the duodenum plays a crucial role in the digestion and absorption of nutrients in the body.